Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss a common fear many English learners have: speaking confidently in front of a camera. If you are someone who freezes when the camera button is on, so this video is for you. So guys, when I recorded my first video, I forgot my lines and kept looking away from the camera. I did not like my voice, but with practice, I developed a lot. Many English learners are afraid of making mistakes. Even many people forget their lines when they see a camera. It is natural. It happens because we overthink. So let me show you one tip that really helped me is practicing in front of a mirror. Another thing is to use simple sentences. In the beginning, don't try to sound too advanced. Suppose I want to say I am talking about my daily routine. So, like this, I want to express the sentence: I wake up at 6 a.m. Oh no, I wanted to say 7 a.m. It's okay. This is simple mistake. No problem. Remember, nobody is perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't let fear stop you. Just keep on practicing. Automatically, one day confidence will come. So one day confidence will come automatically. So guys, if you liked this video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more English spoken tips. So see you soon in the next video. So thanks for watching.